So, have you ever wondered what coding is? Have you ever wondered why this is the most sought technology skill around the world? Why are people talking about this? Hi, my name is Casey and welcome to Coding with Casey, where learning to code is made simple, step by step, and fun. All right, let's talk about this. What is programming? Coding. Choose coding, the same thing. So what is coding? Now, coding is just all about giving the computer instructions to perform a particular task. Think of it like a child that doesn't know anything. And then you're telling this child, look at what you need to do this, when you do this other thing, and then do this other thing, probably for the child to come towards you. Move this step, move the other one, and then put two of them together when you have come close to me. This is an instruction you're giving to the child to just walk to you and stop, right? So the same way you can write these codes just like text, just like you're typing text, you're messaging someone. You type this code, but this code is not just like every other text that you type. It is something that is a language that computer understands. You must have studied the language, known the language, and then you write it for the computer to interpret that and then do it for you. Simple. That's coding. And I want to tell you, as you're watching me, maybe from YouTube or Facebook or Instagram or whatever, that Facebook or Instagram or YouTube that you're watching from is an application. And everything you see there is as a result of codes written by someone, somewhere, group of persons that we call programmers. Just like you're going to be very soon. Because once you can write your first code and you see the result displayed, that's it. As simple as that. So what differentiates you from others is how you've given this time and the extent you have gone in it. That's it. So that's it, and that's what we mean by coding. So giving the computer an instruction to perform a particular task. And these instructions are just in form of what? Codes, text that you've written, and package this in a particular way and then giving it to the computer to run. So ordinarily, the computer cannot do anything. Everything that the computer does, from booting, to shutting down, everything you see in the computer, this text, the buttons, you click, you do this, they are working because there is a code behind that is showing you all that and performing the task and actions that you can take on the computer screen or your phone. So that's it. And I don't want you to look at this as this complex thing. It is very, very simple. And I think we are one more lesson towards getting to the real thing, knowing what code is. I mean, opening the code editor, writing that first code and getting it executed. Yeah. So now, what are the benefits of programming or coding? Today, we know that coding powers so many technologies around us, right? From your TV, from anything that is digital around you, from even your remote control, all these things function because of codes that are inside them. We also know that coding opens career opportunities. And I'm telling you that as you're watching me today, somebody is out there receiving thousands of dollars just because the person codes, right? And then I want to tell you that coding actually can help you build applications, just like I've mentioned. You can build websites, right? Just because you can code. You can build a website, you can build a portal, you can do all these things, all these web applications. Look at Google Doc today. It's a sophisticated application that is just built from what? Writing codes. Web applications. And that's what you're going to learn. So, and many other things, and I can tell you that the benefits of coding cannot be overemphasized. And then I'm telling you today that if you follow me step by step and lesson by lesson, as we've started, I'm going to make sure that learning coding is very simple for you. It's fun because for me, when you mention coding, I feel joy because I understand the simplicity. I understand how it works. I have given it time to learn it, and then I can do it. And that's what you're going to do. And I promise you, you're going to be better than me. And that's the target. Yeah. So yeah, what is coding? Then we're done. Okay. So if this lesson, if you loved it, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share it to some other person that needs it, so that people understand that this thing can be this simple. And that's what I'm going to show. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next lesson.